Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Everlywell review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using the platform. Everlywell is a cutting-edge telehealth platform revolutionizing healthcare accessibility and convenience by offering at-home lab tests. It's a perfect solution for those who want to take charge of their well-being with user-friendly and dependable tests, delivering results straight to your phone or computer. Whether you're curious about food sensitivities, vitamin deficiencies, or STIs, Everlywell boasts a wide array of testing options prioritizing accuracy and ease of use. The process is remarkably simple. Select the test you require, receive the kit in the mail, collect your sample from the comfort of your home, and then mail it back to Everlywell's certified laboratory for analysis. Your results are typically ready within a few days and provided in comprehensive, easy-to-understand reports. Furthermore, if you require assistance or have any questions, Everlywell provides access to licensed healthcare professionals to help interpret your results and advise on next steps. Everlywell offers tests covering a broad spectrum of health concerns, including metabolism, allergies, hormone levels, and even COVID-19, establishing it as a versatile platform catering to various health needs. The convenience of at-home testing eliminates the necessity of doctor's office visits or long waits at clinics, a particularly valuable benefit for individuals with demanding schedules or limited access to healthcare facilities. Designed for anyone who appreciates convenience and proactive health management, Everlywell is especially helpful for those who face challenges accessing traditional healthcare, whether due to time constraints, living in remote areas, or privacy concerns. Everlywell simplifies the often complex process of lab testing, placing control directly in your hands. For a deeper dive into the details and to order your own test kit, visit the links in the description below. Everlywell makes healthcare simpler, more accessible, and personalized to your individual needs, offering a modern approach to health monitoring.